Hot topics, leading-edge techniques, and tackle designed to put more fish in your boat. Brought to you by thenextbite.com. Real fishing information from real fishing experts.
You know, one of the most important things you can do as a walleye angler is learn to search for fish. Gary and I rarely start to fish a spot, especially when we're structure fishing, before we actually see fish on the screen. But one of the problems is that while you're searching, your big engine can actually spook fish.
You know, this Mercury Verado's got a lot of technology built into it. There's a lot of things the engine really does, but the one thing that I found out in running the engine is the quietness helped me fish. And I'm going to use a tournament that I had down in Bull Shoals, Arkansas last year as an example. It was ultra clear water there, and I was fishing for fish on the tips of points. And basically when you go over the top of those fish, they would spook out. Now, I was so used to fishing with my other outboards that I essentially, during the tournament days, the first and second day, would come up to these points and just start fishing and hoping that there would be fish there. Well, some points had fish, some points didn't have fish. The last day I decided to get more aggressive. I thought, you know, this engine's awful quiet. I bet I can go hunt for the fish. And that's exactly what I did. I went from point to point to point, graphing for the fish, and I didn't fish at all until I marked them. And the beauty with using the Verado compared to the other outboards is the fact that that engine did not spook the fish. I could literally mark the fish, turn the key off on the engine, and start fishing and catch them right away. In fact, 3 different times during the course of the day, I would mark fish and get so excited that I'd forget to turn the Verado off, and I'd start fishing and start catching fish, come back after we'd net one to put it in the live well, and I'd ask my amateur, has that engine been running the whole time? And he'd say, yeah, it has. I said, well, next time I do that, maybe you turn it off. So it's kind of cool. But we had some friends that said, oh yeah, well, all the noise is underneath the water. Well, Keith, why don't you trim this thing up once? And you can see that the engine is quiet. There's no difference if it's above water or below water. The engine itself is just unbelievably quiet. The engine's totally out of water now. And don't do that for very long or it'll burn up. But amazing technology, and technology that helps us with our fishing.